This review is for the Wavlink docking station. So it has dual video output as well as a whole bunch of connection port on the back. So here's the connection ports on the back. You can see that I'm using some of the ports. It comes with two USB 3.0, four USB 2.0, HDMI and DVI, and a Gigaport Ethernet port. Also comes with 5.5 millimeter out and microphone in, as well as it requires a 12 volt adapter, which it includes, as well as a USB 3.0 plug, which you connect it to your computer. So you just really need one connection to your computer, whether it be a desktop or laptop. So I have here, it's, excuse the mess, but it's connected to a portable external CD player, or I should say DVD writer, and also has I have a portable hard drive here, all connected to USB ports, the 2.0 on the back, simply because these are not 3.0 rated. The first thing I wanted to know is over here you want to make sure you install the CD that it comes with, because it comes with a program which I have over here. As soon as it loads, so this is the DVD drive that it's connected to, and so you'll want to run this program because it's going to install the multi-display adapter. So down here in the corner I have this right here, this little icon, and you're going to see these the display link manager. That just tells you the version, but you can choose where you want the screen to extend to. So I have it extended here on a separate screen. So as you can see, this one will go right across, and then also you can, it also has some other options if you want to do an audio setup, a video setup. Audio setup basically will have this where it's going to output the audio on to this one. It'll be called USB audio device, and that's the one I linked right here. Right now I have it just connected to a headphone, so I can't really hear it. But otherwise, there is also the video. Where did it go? Oh, the video setup will actually open up your display adapter. So you can see here, I can see these little wavy lines on my phone that's recording, but the actual screen doesn't flicker like that. It actually looks normal. So that's pretty much it, how I have it installed, and it works pretty good. This Gigaport Gigabit Ethernet adapter, it's actually, let me show it. So it's going to be called this one right here. I just have it as connection 4, so it shows USB Gigabit Ethernet. So that's pretty much this one right here. So if I disconnect this, it's going to say it's disconnected. So that's pretty much it. And I also did a quick check on the kilowatt. It's only drawing 5 watts of power for the whole thing, when it's also powering the portable hard drive as well as the portable DVD drive. Hope this review is helpful. Let me know if you have questions or comments.